The customary prayers of Muslims, namaz, where physical movements of prayers, salah, have been beautifully conglomerated with spiritual exercise, result in many surprising health and medicinal benefits. Namaz is the prescription from Allah for better health and fitness who offers it regularly. Thus, it is a natural way to keep oneself healthy. One can get the benefits of namaz only if it is offered as they have been ordered by Allah and our Prophet Muhammad, pbuh. Namaz, salat, should be offered coolly, calmly, religiously, and spiritually to get maximum of its benefits. Top surprising benefits of namaz. Health benefits of ablution, wudu, wuzu. 1. Wudu, ablution, with water where one washes his hands, face, and feet region leads to preventing germs from the body, thus promotes good health. 2. Ablution, wuzu, stimulates biological active spots similar to Chinese reflex therapy, which has beneficial therapeutic effects on the hands, face, and feet region. 3. Ablution helps to relax the nervous system and eases tension, stress, and anxiety. 4. Washing hands 5 times a day, excluding washing before dietary intake before namaz, means an effective way to keep germs away from the body. 5. Hand washing is an efficient way to prevent the spread of germs. 6. Gargling during ablution, wudu, is very important as it helps to remove germs, allergens, and dust particles. 7. Gargling with plain water reduces the chances of the common cold to a greater extent, thereby contribute to health and hygiene. Gargling also reduces viral respiratory infections. Gargling ensures the reduction in a bad breath too. 8. Nose cleansing during wuzu removes dust, allergens, and contaminated matter. Nose cleaning with plain water helps to minimize infections such as flu, sinusitis, cold and chest infections. 9. Nasal cleaning with water overcomes nasal congestion and clears sticky matter in the nose. 10. Nasal cleaning helps to treat allergic rhinitis, good for nasal dryness, and improves breathing. 11. Face washing during ablution is very beneficial for refreshing as well as improving the facial complexion. 12. Face washing reduces the impact of oily skin and retarded the growth of acne, pimples, wrinkles, and other facial spots. 13. Ears cleaning during ablution are quite effective to prevent wax accumulation. Cleaning ear with wet fingers 5 times a day is also good to remove dust and germs from the outer region of the ears. 14. Washing the feet during wuzu helps to clean dirt, fungus. It also acts like acupressure while fingers are passing through the bottom area of the toes. Rubbing the toes with fingers is also good in case of diabetes and removing pain from the body. As lots of acupoints are present in the upper and lower parts of toe regions, and pressing these during ablution is helpful in curing of pain like back pain, arthritis, joint pain, etc. 15. Offering namaz, salah, has many benefits such as spiritual, religious, physical, mental, social, economic, social, etc. 16. Namaz is highly beneficial to activate all the 7 chakras as per the yogic philosophy. 17. There is a great correlation between namaz and yoga. Yoga rejuvenates the mechanism of body and mind. Yoga therapy, a refreshing process as well as a cost-effective solution, try to find out the very root cause of diseases. It helps to restore harmony among various components of lifestyle: physical, social, emotional, spiritual, mental, and psychological. The basic concept of yoga is to relish and cherish life with exhilarating excitement. The system provides psychological and emotional well-being. Being drugless therapies, it enhances the sustainable and functional ability of the body. The same case is also with namaz. Yoga and namaz are certainly a substitute for stress and disease-free personality. There are many yoga postures which represent namaz, viz. Varasana, Tadasana, Padastasana, Yoga Nidra, etc. Namaz is the finest form of meditation. 18. Namaz is one of the best forms of meditation or dhyan from a yogic point of view, where the person unilaterally surrenders to Allah. Meditation is defined as the uninterrupted flow of mind towards a particular object. Namaz is one of the best stress buster and tension reliever modules. Namaz, salat, is the perfect example of meditation where the performer thinks only and only about Allah. Thus, namaz provides the ultimate satisfaction and peace to the mind, thus save you from many diseases and disorders. It enhances your concentration and reduces the level of depression. Namaz helps to develop positive milieu around the namazi. Namaz and physical health benefits. 19. Namaz has multiple many health and fitness benefits. Some of the important physical health benefits are as follow. Namaz is one of the important means of health, happiness, and harmony. Offering regular namaz keeps one fit and healthy by burning extra calories, thereby losing weight. Namaz is one of the effective ways of weight loss as well as to control obesity. Namaz stretches your muscles and helps to provide a toned body. It is good to overcome arthritis as namaz is good to enhance the flexibility of the body and reduces stiffness. Namaz is a good source to balance the anabolic and catabolic biochemical processes of the body. Namaz is good for the heart, brain, above all for the entire body. Standing posture in namaz qiyam ensures proper blood flow in the lower portion of the body. It is also good in strengthening the leg muscles. Health benefits of ruku. 20. The forward bending position of namaz ruku is good for your lower vertebral column. It helps to ease your back pain as per yogic philosophy. Doing ruku properly helps to control backache and vertebral column related diseases. Namaz ruku is effective in developing flexibility to shoulder, elbow, wrist, knees and ankle regions. Ruku exerts abdominal pressure, thereby eases constipation and peristaltic movements. During ruku, the kidney experiences a sort of massage, thus helpful to kidney problems. Health benefits of sajda. 21. During sajda, one sits in varasana, a very important yoga pose from a health point of view. Varasana strengthens the thigh and calf muscles. It is good for digestion and keeps your spine firm and erect. Sajda is very beneficial in the proper functioning of the brain, lungs, body muscles, joints, and entire vertebral column. Sajda helps to maintain smooth blood to the brain region and also stimulates the master gland, pituitary gland, as well as the pineal gland. Sajda reduces the chances of brain hemorrhage and headache due to smooth blood flow to the head region. While performing sajda, the toes are experiencing acupressure, which is good for better health of the body, especially for body pains. Health benefits of salam neck yoga. 22. Salam is an excellent form of neck and upper vertebra exercise. Namaz's salam is the Griva Sakti Vikasaka, strengthening the neck, of Yogic Sukshma Vyayama, which is helpful in loosening the neck joints and also helps to relax the shoulder and upper back muscles. Salam helps to refresh all the nerves, passes through the neck, thus good in case of headache and contend migraine.